How to delete your Amazon account. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. This is valid for your Android and your iOS both. So now let's head to the video. First you open the Amazon app. Once you open the Amazon app, on the bottom right you'll find the menu option. Click on that. Once you click on the menu option, you'll find your account. Click on account, and then you'll find multiple options. It's a bit hidden. You have to just scroll down, and here you'll find an option of close your Amazon account. Once you click on that, you have to scroll down fully and confirm it. Yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account. You can choose your reasons, whatever it is. I have another account, you want to create a new account, security concern, privacy concerns, or open issues with Amazon. Whatever your reason might be, you can choose that and then click on close my account, and that's how you will be able to delete your Amazon account. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.